Respected teachers and my dear friends, we have come together to celebrate Children's Day. First of all, Happy Children's Day. As I celebrate Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, let me say a few words about him. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was born at Allahabad on 14 November 1889. He was the son of Motilal Nehru and Swarup Rani. From the age of 15 to 23, Jawaharlal studied in England at Harrow, Cambridge, and the Inner Temple. He returned to his motherland in 1912. He was a man with a vision of a new modern India. Gradually, he became the top political leader of the Congress Party. He had to undergo great suffering for the nation. He was jailed 7 times. The public career of Nehru was between the age of 30 and 75. Before 1947, he spent 11 years in prison. He worked for Purna Swaraj. He was elected Congress president in 1930, 1936, and 1937. In 1942, Gandhiji formally declared Nehru as his successor. He took special care to strengthen democratic and parliamentary system. Jawaharlal remained the Prime Minister of India for 17 long years. He is generally called the architect of modern India. He encouraged Panchayat Raj institutions. He always stressed the importance of planned development. The policies of non-alignment and Panchashil were proposed by Nehru. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1955. He never forgot India's great cultural heritage and liked to combine tradition with modernity. Pandit Nehru loved children and they called him affectionately as Chacha Nehru. His birthday is observed as Children's Day. He believed that children are the future of the nation. Nehru passed away in 1964. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.